friends, I'm so excited to share with you how easy it is to wear MiSight one-day lenses. My name is Violet, I'm 11 years old, and I have myopia, or nearsightedness. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing you might have it too. I love my contacts and I'm going to show you how easy they are to use. The prescription for my eyes are different, but I know which one is which. Before we start, we always wash our hands. It's really important that we clean and dry our hands on a towel that's not fluffy before opening our contacts. Okay, I'm ready to open my contacts. I like to open one at a time. Be careful when opening so they don't fall out. Once it's open, I use my pointer finger because this is the best finger to gently scoop the lens out. When you have the lens on your finger, use your other hand to gently pinch it and flip it over so it sits on the top of your finger like a tiny bowl. If you don't think it looks like a bowl, check to see if it's right side up. Gently pinch the lenses and it should start to fold close. If it starts to flatten out, that means it's inside out, so flip it over and try again. Now this part might be scary, but I promise you it's so easy and you'll get it so fast. Now make the number 1 with that hand and bring it over top just like this. Use your finger to lift your top eyelid right next to your eyelashes. You don't have to pull hard, but you do want to pull it high enough to fit the contact in. I like to raise my chin and lean forward so I can see better when I look in the mirror. Now take your hand with the lens and use the middle finger to pull your bottom eyelid down, right on top of the eyelashes. Make sure you have a good grip on your eyelids. Sometimes I test my grip by trying to blink to make sure they won't close. Keep looking at the mirror and gently lay or roll the lens on the colored part of your eye. You don't have to press hard. If your eyelids start to slip, stop and start again. The lens will hug your eye and you might feel some air bubbles come out as you put it on. Once you're sure the contact lens is mostly on the eye, pull the index finger away and let go of your eyelids. Slowly blink to check that the lens stays in. Once you do that with one eye, it's time to repeat the steps and do it with the other eye. Remember to take your time and be gentle as you place the lens on your eye. You're going to see how easy wearing contacts is and how totally awesome it is to do all your favorite things without having to worry about glasses. Removing the lens is a lot like putting them in. After washing up, use the same fingers to hold your eyelids open. When you lean forward, you want to lower your chin and look down into the mirror. This gives you more space to remove the lens. To remove the lens, take your thumb and create a little pincher like this with your pointer finger. This will help you gently grab the lens of your eye. Making sure you have a good grip on your eyelids, use your pointer finger to pull the lens down to the white part of your eye. This makes it easier to grip the lens and remove it. Gently pinch the lens. As you feel it on your fingers, slowly pull your hand away to remove it. Repeat those steps with your other eye and throw away your contact lens in the garbage, never the sink or toilet. It's important to take your contacts out before you shower or do any water activity like swimming. Do not expose contact lenses to water while wearing them. Do not sleep in your contact lenses because your eye can get uncomfortable or even infected. That's it! I told you it was easy and I knew you could do it. I hope you love your contacts as much as I do. Thanks for watching! Disclaimer: your MiSight one-day lenses should be worn for at least 10 hours a day and for at least 6 to 7 days a week to help slow down your prescription changes. Always follow the advice of your eye care professional and make sure to attend your regular checkups wearing your MiSight one-day contact lenses, and remember to bring your glasses with you. If your eyes look red or feel uncomfortable, wear your glasses and speak to your eye care professional. Remember to dry your hands completely before putting lenses in or taking them out. If you require further information or guidance, please contact your eye care professional.